Have you ever wondered what does it look like when someone gets an ear mold impression? So that's what we're going over today. We take ear mold impressions if we're getting custom-made hearing protection done, or maybe we're making a custom ear mold to go with a hearing aid, and the process is actually really quick. First, we're going to take a look in your ear, make sure the ear canal is free of debris or wax. We're going to put what's called a foam dam or a cotton dam in your ear. This is going to protect the eardrum to make sure the impression material doesn't go past and then into the middle ear space. That would be a big no-no. So that dam in there is to help protect the eardrum. Then we're going to put the impression material in. When it goes in your ear, it's kind of cold and squishy. If you think of a wet willy when you were a kid, it kind of feels like that. While it's in there, you cannot hear well at all. It kind of acts like an earplug. It takes about 5 minutes to harden, and once it's done, we go ahead and we take it out of your ear, and now we have a nice mold of what your ear canal looks like. For more information on hearing healthcare topics, be sure to like and follow.